Hello, welcome back everybody. I have returned to McConnells Mill Park, and today I'm getting over my fear of heights thanks to my buddy Trevor from the Pittsburgh Grotto Club. We're doing a little rappelling today. You can kind of see down there. We're gonna do a little rappelling. He's doing some rock climbing today as well. There's a lot of cool rock formations and a ton of rock shelters we're gonna check out down here at the bottom. Anyhow, you didn't come here to hear me talk, so thank you for joining me today. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And without further ado, we're gonna get to it. Thank you for coming along, guys.
Try to push off the wall with your feet a little bit and then walk. So if the rope do the work, then just sort of stand up a little bit.
All right.
You got it.
I'm doing it, bro.
You're doing it. How's it feel?
This is really fun.
I'm glad. Push your butt away from the wall.
Like that?
Further, but yeah. Keep going. You pick up your feet. Put your feet flat against the wall. Not your toes, like the bottoms of your feet. Put the bottoms of your feet on the wall. Up high. Put them up high. Like turn your body into an upper L. There you go. That's much better. That's my shot. There you go. There you go. Is that all the way unlocked?
Just about.
You want to all the way unlock it?
I'm okay. I'm still a noob.
Okay. Almost there.
All right.
Keep going down. Rappel all the way till you're sitting. There you go. Now stand back up and come on down.
All right, I did my first rappel.
Woo! How'd you feel?
Once I unlocked, it wasn't bad. I think that was a big milestone in conquering my fear of heights.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
The lip is the hard part. Once you're sitting, you're like, oh, I'm sitting. I mean, sitting on a cliff, but I'm sitting.
That's not so bad now that I came down.
Yeah.
It looks a lot worse at the top.
Yeah, it always does. Take off.
Let me take some more up.
Yep. Take a lot. Take. Oh, you
Nice job, man.
Thank you. I did that one much cleaner. Ready?
Good stuff. You rappelling down?
Yep.
All right. Alrighty, everybody. We are down at the bottom of the rock face. I have rappelled down, and Trevor masterfully rock climbed back up, and then we rappelled him down. That was quite impressive, if I do say so myself. Down here, I'm seeing a couple of different rock shelters and things I'm gonna peek my head in, so I'm gonna turn you guys off for a second. We're gonna go investigate those and see if they lead anywhere or go any sizable distance. Be right back with y'all. So I found a little opening here, just next to where we actually were rappelling from. Yikes, we got spider webs everywhere. Does it keep going? Don't know. Dang mosquitoes. Does it keep going? Looks like it stops right there. Pretty cool though. Got some sprickets in here. So moving forward, I found another opening here. We're gonna peek our heads inside. Trevor pointed out too, this rock face only goes back maybe 15 feet till it hits the other side. There's actually a canyon on the other side, so chances are it doesn't go back anywhere, but might be kind of cool in here. I'll check it out anyway. You keeps going. Got spideys everywhere. It stops right after that. It's worth a shot. Alrighty guys, Trevor is over there. We found a new cliff that we're trying to rappel / rock climb down. So we have to split ways. I'm gonna be at the bottom of his safety, so while we're en route, let's check out this cool canyon. Can't get to Trevor that way. How's it going, guys?
Having fun?
Yeah, I had a blast.
That felt good, but it was just a little bit flat. I'm not gonna do that one. I might do it like that.
Got some people bouldering here, doing some rock climbing. It's their safety pad. Wow. I don't know if we should go that way to get to Trevor or this way. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, darn. Just a dead end. Super cool, though. There's some initials there. Get a load of this. Wow. How's it going?
Oh, well, how are you?
Not bad. This place is cool.
It's really sick over here.
There's people down here.
There you are.
Okay.
All right, guys. Trevor just got done rock climbing this rock face here. Pretty impressive. Got the little canyon to our left. Some more openings to our right that I need to check out. Whoa, what's that? Ooh, that looked like a lizard person. All right, let's see if we can follow his tracks. I gotta be quiet and put you guys away. Alrighty, guys. So we saw the lizard man run around this side. He doesn't leave many prints, but pretty sure I heard his footsteps go this way.
127 hours of game, boys. What's up, boy?
Oh, this is interesting. Goes pretty high. That's where he's been storing his firewood.
In the damp.
In the damp.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Good.
Living the dream, right?
Yes, sir. Did you guys see a lizard man run back here?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Can you explain him a little bit better?
Quick darting reptilian glances and
No, I don't recall. I don't recall that.
we're gonna call up Monster Quest from the History Channel, bro.
McConnell's bill. Yeah, you need something shiny to catch it.
Wonder if that little hole goes anywhere. I'm gonna go check it out.
We're meeting all sorts of people now. What is that scratching? Sounds like some metal, bro. Was that the lizard? Lizard man? Is that the lizard man?
Excuse me. Yeah, this is actually
Andy's trying to scale it. It's complete. Wait, this is how dark it is. I can't even see you.
Alright, come on back out.
I do see somewhat. See somewhat of a drop off there, man.
I see outside.
Down to our bottom.
Ooh. Tight little spots on my ankles. Like this now. pressure real quick?
Oh yeah, it goes down in there, but
What do you
I don't have any way to get there.
Supposed to be where they're supposed to be.